Go. Oh, I got tomato juice on my shoes. That's what my sweet AK47 airsoft gun does. Show me the airsoft gun. I don't want to see your face. I forgot that thing's loaded. I mean, that's pretty awesome. I bought it. Just shoot the tomato. Oh, I got it in my hair. Is it still on my hair? Oh, it's all over me. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in on it. Yuck, tomato. This is the one that I shot. I think I did better. Like so far, a lot better. Mine's tore up. His is one piece. Are you shooting it again? You shot it from there. Okay. Tomatoes. Shooting. Fun!